Today we're looking at an item from Finish. Now, I've used a lot of different dishwasher cleaners, and I think this is probably one of the best ones on the market. I've had different ones that have different problems. You'd be surprised how different detergents react in your dishwasher. I was using another brand from another big box company, a big box retailer, and it was just sudsing. My whole dishwasher wasn't working correctly. It was full of suds, and I thought it was a dishwasher. I did more research, and it's really sometimes just the detergent that you use. It just wasn't compatible with the dishwasher. It wasn't breaking down properly. It was all sudsy, like soapy. You don't really want soap and suds in your dishwasher. You want cleaning action. You don't want suds. And that was the main problem. So this Finish Powerball, I've tried this one and I absolutely love it. I want to show some cutaways while we're talking here. I'm going to show you that in a second. But before we go do the cutaways, I want to talk to you about this really cool, look how this awesome. Now this thing is absolutely super powerful. It's got so much cleaning power. You don't have to do any pre-washes whatsoever. My dishwasher is absolutely spotless every single time. There's no more odors, no more anything. It absolutely works perfectly. Absolutely love it. I want to show you what it looks like in this little tablet. Cleans deep, cleans pots and pans. It does everything. It neutralizes the odors. There's no more smells coming from my dishwasher. It's just a fantastic product. If you need it, I'm telling you, it's more expensive, no question about it, but it does a better job. Again, you don't have to pre-wash. You don't have to worry about that. It helps maintain the dishwasher, keeps it cleaner. It's got 100% more degreasing power than most places, most items. You don't need any more of that jet dry. It cleans everything. It's spotless. So this is what it looks like here. It's got so much power in this little tiny, just amazing. This will dissolve in the dishwasher automatically. It has 3 separate fast dissolving chambers. Powerball shines, the powder scrubs breaks down the stuck food, and also the gel cuts through grease. Everything in here absolutely amazing. It's compatible with most dishwashers. That's what they all kind of say. You got to kind of play with it on your own and see which one works best for you. But this is absolutely, I think this is really all you really need. You don't really need anything else. For me, this is really a perfect issue. If you have issues with your dishwasher, this could be a really good, perfect solution. Now, do a quick cutaway. You can see my dishwasher. I'm opening up the dishwasher itself. You can see the top rack, the bottom rack. You can see how everything is just spotless in here. I just did a wash with this. It comes out perfect every single time. You can see how clean it is. Look how the stainless steel is all shiny. It's just a perfect. I think this is a perfect blend for my dishwasher. Again, every dishwasher could be different, but this works fantastic. Look at the dishes, the spots are clean. Look at this, the colander is spotless. The glasses are spotless. The dishes are clean. The silverware is sparkling. I mean, all that kind of stuff, all in this one little tablet. One wash, it does it all. And I overload my dishwasher, as you can see. I just like to get the maximum amount of wash out of it. And I do overload it. I know that for sure. So it works if you do it that way. If you do a light load or a heavy load, doesn't really matter. Definitely go ahead and purchase this. You will not go wrong. I guarantee you will love this product 100%. All right, guys, appreciate it as always. Hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Follow me for more awesome videos just like this here. Finish is the way to go. You won't be disappointed when you're done with your wash. You will be finished.